Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK. Today we are doing week 2 for July cash stuffing. I've got a little bit of extra money to go into a specific envelope, and yeah, let's get stuck in. Hey everyone, my name's Samantha. I'm a mum to 2 children, a 14-year-old and a 2-year-old. And this is my channel all about my journey to becoming debt-free, having paid off over £100,000 worth of debt. I'm down to the last small amount now. So this is my journey of doing that without working full-time, without having more than a single income. I do side hustles, I do budgeting, I do hacks, hints and tips and everything else just to make sure I can have a really good life for myself and my children. And we do it. We do it. We live on a lifestyle, we live on a budget lifestyle, but I have a great life. I love it. So if you think that's something of interest to you, I would love it if you would hit that little subscribe button. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up and a like, and then hit that little bell notification, because every time you do, you make me so happy, and it's free. Our favourite price. So if you're already subscribed, then of course you already know how much I love you. So thank you. You are a legend. Right, let's get stuck in this week. So we've got 275, which is my regular amount. I've done something unusual for me. I've actually filled in my actuals this week. Not got so far into filling in the dates yet. Some of them have already come out. I will get around to that. You know what I'm like. Yeah, I always say, your budget should just fit your lifestyle as long as you're doing something. It's something proactive. It's all good. Now, I've put in, if you saw my video the other day, I won some, not just me, although I do like to take the credit. Don't tell my dad. We got £20 we won on the quiz the other night. Now, I wasn't sure what to do with it. I just sort of put it to one side. But I've decided to put it in my going out envelope, because I think what we're going to do is we're going to go out on Sunday for tea. And so we might get some bits there, and then I'm going to play the bingo. That is my plan. So bingo is bargain. It's like £2 and you get 5 games, and there's a line and a house and prizes to be won. So I think for £2 and Holly can play. Alexander cannot play too, but yeah, it'll be fine. We'll do that. So that's what I'm going to do with that. So £4 for an evening out, plus they're already paying for us basically to eat or drink or whatever. That's where that money's going to go. So I've got my cash here. I'm just going to, it's not organised at all. I'm just going to organise it because I hate when notes are not in order. It's quite frustrating. There we go. There we go. Right, we're in order now. This week I'm trying to put very little in. No, rephrase. I'm not putting little into my groceries because I want to do a really, really big spend on groceries in a few weeks. I'm running everything down out of my fridge, freezers, cupboards, everything. I'm just going to use up stuff because I've even found stuff in there that's gone out of date. To be fair, if it's pasteurised or if it's in a tin, you can still eat it. It's all good. You're not going to die. Well, I haven't died so far anyway. So yeah, sorry, rephrase. So I should have 295 here, but like I said, already £20 of that is earmarked specifically. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 200, 20, 40, 60, 260, 70, 80, 95, yeah, 295, right, bro. So let me just have a look over my week coming up. So today is Saturday, and I've got Jessie's birthday party, so I need to maybe put some money to one side. I am going to drive. I'm whispering it, because my brother and my sister-in-law want me to not drive, but when you've got a 2-year-old and they want to go home and you're trying to get a taxi at the end of the night, it's just not worth the hassle and the messing about. So, shh. Yeah, but we won't tell them. And I'll just say, yes, I've got a vodka in this Coke. Maybe, we'll see. Or just hopefully they won't ask. Alcohol-free beer, something like that. Right, so I will need some money for that. And then Sunday, pop that on the bingo. Is where we're going to go. And then, what else have I got coming up? Yeah, we're going away. We're going away on the 19th. Must remember them going away on the 19th. That'll be clever. So, let's have a look. We've got that and then that. So we've got to start with this envelope wallet rather. I end up forgetting. So time for me, this used to be my social envelope. It used to be, you know, whenever I went out on my food or if I went to see friends or whatever else. But, yeah. Do you know what I did again? I went to Costco again to get petrol. Got there and didn't take my card. I keep forgetting to take my card because I'm so used to doing cash. This is the downside. However, finally, once I got home, I put a card on my phone as like the Apple Pay thing, because obviously I always take my phone, but I don't always take my card. Yeah, so I mean, I wasn't desperate for it. It's just because I was near it and I thought, well, I'll just go and do the top up now. But luckily, anyway, at least I hadn't gone too far at my own way. So going forward, the no card thing shouldn't be an issue, right? So as I was saying, the time for me, like days like eating out, I think that's more like, yeah, that's where I'm going to put the that extra £20. So let's put that in there already, because it's sort of, that's what we plan on doing. Really, it's like you get into, you know, fussy things like, you know, what should I say exactly is the name of my envelope, but I'm going to put some money in there anyway. Oh gosh, do you know what I'm doing already? This is what I should be doing. Getting too excited about stuffing money. Is I'm going to write down how much I'm going to put where, because I find that's been working better for me with not getting confused. So this has already got 20 in, but I might put another 10 in as well, so we'll call that 30. Don't forget, I've already put 20 in. I'm telling myself this, by the way, not you. I've already put 20 in the eating envelope. So time for me, you can get 10. Groceries. I'm going to go with a... Well, I'm going to Wales to see my friend, and mostly I'll be at hers. So I'm just thinking maybe I need to put more in this eat out, because I'm going to be... I know she's like, she'll cook, but obviously I'll need to give her money for that, and I can't rely on that. Thinking, right, let's put 20 in here. Petrol will need more because I've got to get to Wales and back. Let's do 30. Oh, that feels like a big chunk. Gifts, I'm just going to put that 5 in because I've got Dad's birthday in August. Did take a big hit for the 18th. Let's have a look. Beauty. Got my hair and my nails booked in next month, I think. Next month, yeah. These are growing already, so they will need changing. Let's put 20 in there. I can get 10. And this days out, well, because when we're in Wales, it's quite good. There's loads of free things you can do in Wales. There's beaches and walks and castles and everything else. So, let's put, though, oh gosh, 50 in it. Luckily, Alexander being to a lot of places are free anyway. Just feels like that's a lot. How much have I spent? That's 30, 60, 70, 80, 90, 140, 50, 60, 75, 175. I need to put more in there. Let's put another. I'm going to whack that up to 60. Let's see how much I spend. Oh, gosh. Right, let's just... How much is that? That's 60. 120, 145, 175, 95, 205 pounds. Oh gosh, what's happened here? I've messed about. Oh, it's because I put these extra things in and I haven't. Anyway, 205, which means that there's only £90 going to be left over and going here into my sinking funds. So this is what I was talking about with July being and August is going to be tight, because I'm closing my Etsy store next week. I'm going to be closing it. I'm going to close it at the weekend, I think. because then if any more order comes in, let me write that on here before I forget as well. I'm going to close my, yeah, because otherwise I'm not going to have time to make everything. Saturday, close Etsy. Yeah, remind myself. Not permanently. It's just like on a holiday for a few weeks. So because I'm here, there, and everywhere, and I don't want to be letting people down with orders and having to panic about being back for things. So it's our mini break. Plus, you know, children aren't coming for tutoring as much. Yeah. So and I'm not working. I'm not getting any consultancy money. So let's just do the do my fluid envelopes first. Groceries is getting 20. Petrol, I get 30. And then there's definitely enough in there for, oh gosh, there's not enough there for a full tank. But I'm not needing a full tank yet. Well, I might do. Might time to keep going backwards and forwards without a card. Clever. Gifts, just that £5 this week. Beauty, 20. Date night, 10. How expensive is dating? I think this is one of the reasons I'm such a tight ass. One of the reasons you avoid dating and date nights, like you start going out on a date, it costs a fortune to date. Like, they get you for money for every little thing. You want you to sign up for subscriptions for whatever they are, the Plenty of Fish and the not Tinder. I don't even know. I'm not even. Anyway, days out was getting 50, but I've run out of 10s because I'm a genius. Have I got 10 in there? No, I've got 2 10s in here. Let's swap these over. Yeah, so you know, I'm not one of these, like, obviously it's nice if somebody else wants to pay, but I would never go anywhere and expect somebody else to pay for me. I think it's rude. But yeah, if somebody wants to. And what was I doing? Days out. This is what happens when I chat. So that's good if I've already got some in there, actually. 50. All right, so I've got 70 in there, so that might be quite good. And then eating out, I've already put 20 in, and I'm going to put another 40. That's right, isn't it? And then if I've done it right, I should have 90 left, but you know what I'm like. Let me just check. See, 20, 60, 80, 90. Woohoo! Makes a change. Well done, me. That's that. Now, where to put it is the question. I've already stuffed in here my Etsy money from this week, but you're only getting that video tomorrow because I filmed that video. I'm terrible at getting them out on time and in the right order. That's why there's money in here in case you're wondering, but you can see that video tomorrow. So let's do, gosh, let's do, I'm just bothered about this debt, to be honest. Like, I just want to get rid of that. I just keep thinking, oh, I want to get rid of my debt, and because I've got things I want to start doing instead, and oh gosh. Right, Alexander, we'll put 10 in the school because uniform, etc. is next month. And then I need to move Alexander and Holly back near each other. 20, 20, 20, 40, 50. I need to put it in here though. 46, yeah, that's 90. Let's just do that. Let's do that and worry about the debt next week. I was going to say next week when I'm not on my mini bit, but I'm going to my auntie and uncle's. So, so yes, no, sorry, nothing for the really important ones. Car is getting 20. School is getting 10. Holly 20. Oh gosh, 20. Alexander 20. And car repairs 20 as well. So that's that. Yay. Okay. So that's us stuffed. I'm never put nothing. I don't think I have anyway. Correct. I'm sure you'll tell me if I'm wrong. I don't think I've ever had a week where I've put nothing towards debt, which is, I feel a bit naughty for doing that. But I don't always, take the children away. We don't do a lot of things in that respect. So it's not too bad. No. Right, so that's us all stuff for the week. I'm ready. I hope you're having an amazing week. And thank you so much for stopping by. And I'll see you soon. Bye.